Hey, what's up everybody? It's your man MKBHD here with some exciting news. WhatsApp just got a whole lot smarter with its brand new AI feature. That's right, artificial intelligence is now hanging out right inside your favorite messaging app, ready to answer your questions, boost your productivity, and make your chats way more fun. Now I know what you're thinking, AI sounds complicated, right? It can seem a bit intimidating at first, but trust me, WhatsApp made it super simple to use. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly. Whether you're a tech whiz or just starting out, this AI is here to make your life easier and your conversations more engaging. Imagine having a smart assistant right in your chat. So, in this guide, we're going to break down everything you need to know about using WhatsApp AI. From setup to advanced features, we've got you covered. We'll walk through how to turn it on, step by step, how to chat with it effectively, and all the cool things it can do like setting reminders, answering questions, and even suggesting replies. By the end of this, you'll be a WhatsApp AI pro, ready to impress your friends with your newfound AI skills. Let's dive in and explore this exciting new feature together. Okay, so you're ready to unlock the power of AI in your WhatsApp chats? Sweet, first things first, let's activate this AI pal. Don't worry, it's a super quick and easy process. Just open up your WhatsApp, go to settings, and look for the shiny new WhatsApp AI option. Tap on it and boom, you're in. You might need to agree to some terms and conditions, the usual stuff. Once you're through, you're good to go. You've officially welcomed AI into your WhatsApp world. Now let's start chatting. Now for the fun part, actually talking to your WhatsApp AI. Think of it like texting a friend, but this friend happens to be a super smart AI. Just open up any chat as if you're about to message someone. Now instead of typing your friend's name, type at AI followed by your question or request. It's that simple. Want to know the weather? Just ask at AI, what's the weather like today? Need a quick translation? Try something like at AI translate hello, how are you to Spanish. The AI will respond in a snap right there in your chat window. It's like having a helpful assistant always on hand. Section 4, Your AI, Your Way. One of the coolest things about WhatsApp AI is that it's all about you. It learns your preferences and tailors its responses to match how you like to communicate. So, the more you chat with it, the more it understands you and provides suggestions that are right up your alley. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what you need even before you ask. Section 5, Supercharge your chats with AI power-ups. Okay, now let's talk about some of the really cool AI-powered features that WhatsApp has baked in. These features can do some pretty amazing things and make your chats even smoother and more efficient. First up, we have language translation. This is a game changer if you're chatting with someone who speaks a different language. Just ask the AI to translate your message and it'll instantly bridge the language barrier. No more fumbling around with translation apps. It's all integrated right into your chat window. Then there's text summarization, which is a lifesaver for those super long messages. If you're short on time or just don't feel like reading a novel's worth of text, the AI can provide a concise summary of the key points. This way you can stay on top of your chats without spending hours reading every single word. It's perfect for busy professionals or anyone on the go. These are just a few of the AI-powered features that WhatsApp has up its sleeve. And the best part is that WhatsApp is constantly adding more. So there will always be something new to explore. Keep an eye out for updates to make the most of these innovative tools. Section 6. Dive in and explore. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide to using the awesome new WhatsApp AI. This tool is designed to make your life easier and more connected. As you can see, it's super simple to use and can do some really cool things. From setting reminders to answering your questions, it's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. But the best way to learn is to dive in and start exploring for yourself. The more you interact with it, the more you'll uncover its capabilities. Don't be afraid to ask your AI pal questions, give it commands, and see what it can do. Experiment with different features and find out what works best for you. The more you use it, the more you'll discover its full potential. It's all about making your daily tasks smoother and more efficient. And hey, if you find any cool tricks or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you and sharing tips with the community. Until next time, keep on chatting. Peace. Remember, the journey of discovery is just as exciting as the destination.